very cute on this great Sunday morning. How's your day going, y'all? Just heading to church. We're going to praise the Lord. I'm feeling good. Feeling good. Feeling nice. Hey. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe and like. My name is Edwina. Nice to meet you. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is just a video, like a vlog through Manchester, a week in Manchester actually. So the next clip is going to be me in the city center, just showing you around. This is what Manchester looks like on a busy Sunday afternoon. People are out and about and the sun's out, so you know everyone is enjoying. And then after that we headed to Black Sheep Coffee. So this was after church. Headed to Black Sheep Coffee for a little bite. So I think, okay, I can't remember what I had. Oh yeah, I had a salt beef bagel. It's literally right in my front, but yeah, and tea, iced tea, and then went off to do my nails. It was a busy day for me. Yeah, so went off to do my nails, just, you know, monthly maintenance, nothing serious. And then well, what do you think about the nails? Like, do they look cute? I picked a summery color because, you know, it's still summertime until it gets like really hot, even though in Manchester it's raining. Anyway, then after that we also had to do the pedicure. Needed to scrub all the gunk from like underneath our feet, and you know, like pedicures are very relaxing, and yeah, it was like a self-care sort of day. And then the lady showed me this little steam thing, and I was like, oh, why not? By the way, I feel like I've said and then more than 10 times, which is crazy. But yeah, and then I got like a nice little massage. Ugh, bruh, this was a very relaxing day. Like, I was having a good time for sure. And then the suits were equally like massaging my back. Like, yeah, I was in heaven. What are you, by the way? Are you team massage or team no massage? Like, okay, let's just get straight into it. Do the pedicure and off I go. Or you like to like really take your time and just enjoy the process, enjoy everything they're doing? What are you? What team are you on? Let me know. Or the salon looks like, rather. And the next day was Monday, people. Monday morning. You know how Monday is. But then it was super duper hot on Monday. And my apartment, lovely bunch. They were like, do you know what? Treat yourself. It's Monday. We know it's already hard. And yeah, so they gave us like iced lollies. Yes, I got a watermelon flavor. And then it was still so hot. I had to go out and sit down. And tell me why this dog almost attacked me. Because what is going on here? But yeah, the owner quickly caught the dog. And she kept on apologizing, which was so funny. But yeah, and guess what? If you see this little rat, because that's what that dog was, that was a little rat. Do you know, it's always the smallest ones. They're always so aggressive. Like, I'll kick you. And you wouldn't survive. But yeah, and then, yeah, I continued looking my eyes lolly, and I went back to work. Okay, guys, and then it was the weekend because work hard and play harder. That's my motto. But anyway, so we went to Sexy Fish, the sexiest fish in Manchester. Yeah, Sexy Fish is a vibe for sure. If you haven't been, you should definitely go. It was all types of fun. You meet all types of people. The DJ, you know, yeah, the DJ came correct, and your girl is looking sweet. Like, check, I see baby Yoko. See fine beauty, black beauty, ebony. I'm sorry, but yeah, more pictures, just showing you people, you know, how I was looking that night. I was looking very sweet. Like, even me, I have to give myself, I did a good job. And finally, our meal arrived. The food at Sexy Fish, yummy. Like, actually so tasty. I'll give it to them. I think we just got like bits and pieces of different things, like oysters, sushi, chicken, sweet potatoes, wraps. Like, we got random things. And then the drinks, like, everything was hitting 10 out of 10 for sure. And the decoration, the presentation, everything looked, you know, very picturesque. And yeah, it was all good night, good vibes. Yeah, so this is the face of a well-fed baby, someone who's well-fed, who's eating good. And then just making videos, getting ready because we're about to go for a show. So just going to get the bill and then head out. I'm sure I broke something at this point, though I don't know what I was doing, but yeah. After that, Chike was performing. Oh my gosh, and I actually do like Chike a lot. you know what? So we had to hit the club. We had to hit the club and go party with Chike. It was so fun. Yeah, I had a good time for sure. He performed like some of my favorite songs, and yeah. Well, it was a long weekend for me for sure, because the next day I had to attend this gathering. It was just a nice little mixer for people in the city to get to know each other. We played like a lot of games and like getting to know each other, like, that sort of vibe. It was good fun, good people, good food. I had a blast for sure. Okay, let's get into my culinary skills, people. So we're making pea penny. Gosh, I don't remember again, but anyway, that's just me putting oil in a pan. So this is a pea penny. It's basically pasta made with green peas. You get the vibe. So we're about to boil it. Apparently it's high in protein, high in fiber, all that good stuff. And so, sometimes it's good to experiment. I was just experimenting whilst frying the ground beef. And then, I just added like tomatoes. And then when it boiled, I poured it inside the pan and mixed it, added some veggies. And then I decided, with the other like ground beef, like half of it, I decided to make like burgers, because I'll be craving that later on. So just did that. I don't know why the onions are like so fat, but I don't even know what I was doing. Anyway, this is the finished look. This is my meal. Added some sliced cucumbers to be healthy, and like and then chicken. Yeah, it was yummy. It was real good, and probably I'll do it once in a while, but yeah, I enjoyed it. Then guys, I said what I said, came to Manchester. Whoop 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 whoop. So if you don't watch it, it's a podcast. I said what I said. Jola and FK, very interesting girls. It was a good time. The time was hard. And then this is when we were just taking pictures. I laughed. I did laugh. They were really hilarious in person, because I was just wondering, what would it be like going for a show like this in person? Was nice. And how can I forget to show y'all how we let off some steam, and we're trying to be healthy, trying to stay in shape. And this is just me making a video, checking out my little progress so far, because I added a lot of weight, but then I think we're gradually losing it. So I'm just checking if I'm getting stronger, if my muscles are getting defined. Yeah, that's it, guys. I was just checking out myself, but yeah, pretty much it. And then I went for a swim. And that is it, guys. That's a little week in my life. Let me know if you would like to see more content, or if there's anything specific you're after. See you in my next video. Bye.